Hey guys, I hope you guys are doing great. So today we are going to see how we can use fixed LOD and to get a line visualization of new enrolled customers over a period of time. So let's begin. So I will drag the order date to columns. So this way I will get the timelines at the row level, but since this is year, so I will change it to month. I will click on the arrow drop down and I will select month May 15. So I get the timelines at the row level. Now I need how many customers are there that have ordered over this period of time. So we have customer ID and I will drag and drop to the rows and then I will change it to measure count distinct. So this gives me a distinct count of customers who have ordered over a period of time. But this is something which is not that we are looking for. We need to get when that customers was enrolled. So in order to get their enrollment date, it would be equivalent to the first order date, assuming that the customer has to enroll at the time of ordering. So I will go to create calculated field, then I will name it as customer enrollment date. Now we will be using the curly braces as per the syntax of LOD, and we will keep fixed the customer ID, and then I will use the aggregate function as the minimum date of the order by that customer. Does that make sense? Because that first date would be the minimum date. So minimum, and it would be the order date. And I'll close this with curly braces. Calculation is valid. I'll click on apply, then I'll click on OK. I get my LOD expression created. I will drag it to columns and I will bring down this one, the month one, and I will change the type of the month year to month May 15. So this gives me a graph. As we can see that initially the enrollments were very high and it gradually decreased, and we can represent it with a running plot or a cumulative plot as well. What we need to do is just click on the count distinct of customer ID and then go to quick table and then select running total, and this will give me a cumulative plot. As we can see, it is reaching an stagnant enrollment of new customer. That means the rate is decreasing of enrollment of new customers. So this was it for this video. I will come up with more videos on LODs with exclude as well as LODs include, and many more examples that will clarify and help you in your day-to-day tasks and getting more understanding on LODs and overall Tableau. So see you in the next video, and please do subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. See you.